Hello everyone, Andrew Mize here and welcome to my channel. I'm redoing this video again because of some of my viewers. They gave me some complaints, and yeah, in this video I'm going to do some questioning and some answering. There's so many questions people has been asking all over the globe about this security plugin of a deal. Right now I'm going to show you and teach you and also give answers to all the questions you have been asking me during the past few months. If you are new to my channel, please leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. I got 15k that I'm going to use in this video, so you understand everything that I did. In this new version of palmpay, you can see the tools bar below: the home, the finance, the reward and your profile. Go into finance because most people are having difficulty of locating their OK card recently. Now that you are in finance, click on the OK card. On the OK card, you will see how to increase your limit, how to repay, and also disable flex service. That is what we are treating. As you can see, it shows you some instructions and some information like developers mode and factory default setting. And that, absolutely that, is the main cause of everything. That factory default setting is the main cause of everything, and there's no way you can turn it off. No. With that on, there's no way you can format your phone. Nothing you can do on your phone. Most times you will be getting some right on top of your screen after some months of due that you will have to pay them back. If you do not pay them back, there is absolutely no way, no matter what you did. Some people are like, hey, I didn't use this phone, but it's showing that, yeah, you might not be the one. Somebody else has used your phone to borrow from them, and then he logged out he deleted the app. Even if the app is not in the phone, as long as that thing has been activated, it will be activated. If you like, download the app, create an account, try to activate it. They will give you a message saying this phone has already been activated. You cannot activate it again, or not until you deactivate it from that person that first of all activated it. And probably you don't even know that person. That's where the problem comes. You will have to contact their customer care, talk to them. In some cases you are going to pay, you must pay them back. That's just their law. You are going to pay them back the money before they will decide to turn it off. Other questions like, do this not working, do this not working. If it's not working, relax, try again. The moment you pay them, the message isn't out of your screen. Check if it has worked, then go back to that factory default settings and turn it off. I'll be showing you how to turn it off as well as soon as I pay them. Alright, let's go. As you can see, I have the cash for the payment, so you should focus on this part. It's one of the most important part of this video. I'm going to pay them right now and you will see how the message disappear. I'm repaying them right now, the exact amount that I took from them, and yeah, there's a notification that I just paid them. Now it's time for me to go and turn it off, so you see how they turn it off. Let's go. You click on the OK card because that is where we have to deactivate it. Then disable flex service, it's right there, you can see it. Yeah, you see the turn off service is they're no longer showing me to pay back because I've already paid, so the turn off service is going to be active for you to turn it off. All you just have to do is click the turn off button, and yeah, that is all. I think that is what you have to do. My video doesn't end here. The next thing I'm going to show you is how do you turn on security plugin, because most of you don't know how you turn it on. Yeah, I'm going to show you how you turn it on, the processes you pass, and how it looks like when it is turned off. I have a lot to show you. So at this point of time, you just have to be patient with me because I know my video is kind of long. You will have to watch to the end because most of the time I'm going to tell you is going to be towards the ending of my video. If you know you are new to my channel, you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and click the like button, and don't forget to share this video to other people all over the world that needs this information. Thank you. So this is how you turn on security plugin. You might be broke or you might need cash or finance at a certain time, and you might just see that they told you could borrow money from them, and you'll be like, okay, I need cash, let me meet these people for help. That was when you go into the app, but you have no idea that they are going to take total control of your phone because most of you didn't even read the instructions, and the instructions are there, they are just there. You didn't read the instruction, that is the reason why. And this is how it looks like when you haven't turned it on. This is how it looks like. It will be showing disabled. Yeah, it will be showing disabled. Most of you are the one that activates and enables it, but you don't even know what it means because you have no idea. So that is just it. I don't really know how to explain it much, but you get what I'm trying to say. Once you're about to activate it, then we ask you some certain questions like drop number. Look at that thing, they show watermark, they show phone call. That watermark is the thing that is displaying in your phone, and you are the one that press allowed. You are the one that press allowed. You drop some certain numbers for confirmation like that. That is their policy. They drop alternative number. Once you are through with their forms and everything, remember you are the one that press allowed. You gave them the permission to take over your phone. So most people are like, why are they doing this to me? They are doing it because it's an agreement you have. Once the process is complete, as you can see, they just gave me 12,300 that I can use. So that is how you activate it in the very first place. This is how you activate it in the very first place. If you come here now, you see this one is activated, but I haven't activated the one under. I don't really need it. It's where you could borrow money from them and pay back later, so it's just there. Moving on, this is the early stage of due. You can see the write up in my screen. Everywhere I go, it's there except for some system applications. Yeah, I already showed you how to deactivate it. You have to just go there, pay them, stuff like that. Once you pay, automatically, instantly, the write up will be out of your screen. Now let me go straight to the side effect, man. If you see this side effect, you are going to be shocked. The side effect of this particular application, this loan you are taking, the side effect, it has huge downside. Let me tell you, it has a very huge downside. Most people phones have been locked down, they can't even use their phone till date. I meet most of them online, I meet most of them in real life, and I will be showing you how the side effect and the downside looks like in their phone, because you can screen record in your phone. So I use my phone to record your phone. You will see this downside in their phone. The song currently playing is known as Sabi Girl, sung by Lukang Fmk. If you love this song, I will drop a link in my description below. You could go download it and view it. And oh yeah, the song is free. You can use it for your TikTok video, your YouTube video, any kind of video. Trust me, this song will make you go viral. I have tried it on my TikTok and I saw, wow, it was amazing. You could go check it out, it's pretty nice. Well, let's get back to our video. This is pretty much what palmpay can do if you decide not to pay. As you can see, you only have App Store, Play Store there, your message and your phone. Every other apps have been disabled. You can't even use your phone to snap picture anymore. The phone is completely disabled, and if you leave it like this for too long, it's going to crash, and once it crashes, that is the end of that phone. As you can see, you can go to your settings if you like, emergency calls if you like. When you enter app, you can only see 3 applications. Just make your call, send your message, even to download something self, it's completely fucked up. The phone is messed, like you can't even use the phone anymore. The whole phone is completely locked down, there's nothing you can do. So my friendly advice for you, if you are working with palmpay, you have to cooperate with them. You have to cooperate with them if you don't want your phone to end up like this one you are seeing right now. Oh yeah, finally we also have Easy Buy. Easy Buy is also a app like palmpay. You can buy something in the rate of 30% first, then you shall be paying it 5% every month and day. If this is on your phone, oh, as you can see, it's similar. This one is even worse. It logs down everything. Can't play music, can't make phone calls, nothing you're gonna do. You can't even play game. And that write up is also going to be there. You have to go and pay them first. These people, their securities are pretty tight. One of my guys tried to format his own. After formatting it, man, it took almost 2 weeks. 2 weeks, the phone became locked. Like it starts, how will I put it? It locked down. You can't even do anything. It became the worst of the worst of the worst. This one is even better. Sef. It became so worse that he has to throw the phone away. As you can see, like I said, it's very worse. Once you turn the phone on, it just turn on, show you your symbol, techno, whatever, then it will show you this right up. I don't even know what it's trying to say. It will just keep it right up. I try another method and then the power on. This is what it showed me. Fast boot, whatever. Your phone will automatically, whatever, in 60 seconds, blah. This is what it will keep doing all over and all over. You can't turn your phone on anymore. Not until you will now go and find the company, whatever, and pay. You can't turn your phone anymore. It will just be like this and it will be like this. Try formatting it. That was when it turns like this. So that brings my video to the end, and I think that's pretty much all I have known, studied, and discovered about this issue. If you have a question and you didn't find the answer in my video, you could always DM me. If you know your issue is bigger than this, you can also let me know. Let's help each other and look for a possible solution. And please, if you have anything to say, you can always comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe for more videos like this. Remember, the name is Andrew Miles 5, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Baby, oh. All the other girls be like the light.